You can almost view the AI as like a new team member working alongside you that's maybe very effective at writing code, but still needs the high-level direction and project management skills that we're teaching in the course. So I remember one student specifically was going through the exercises which are about using AI to assist with coding particular features or so on inside the project. And the AI really wasn't producing very good code. It wasn't working very well. And they thought that meant that they had maybe not engaged with the exercise in the right way. But actually, one of the points of these exercises is to reveal the limitations of the AI and demonstrate to the students that in the same way that you wouldn't just allow your team member to arbitrarily put code into your project without checking it first, especially not if you're using industrial development techniques, you can't just allow the AI to run rampant through your code base. You should still be following good software engineering practices where you just treat it as another team member whose changes still need to go through code review and standard techniques like that.